Hello, we are in the park again, and I am going to find somewhere in the shade to sit, and we are going to answer some questions together. We are going to practice answering questions. Today we are going to have a conversation that you have when you meet someone for the first time. Maybe you won't ask all of these questions, but you can prepare or be prepared to answer some of them. I have my bag again. First question: how are you? How are you? You can say, I'm good, or I'm fine, or I'm okay. In England, you might hear, I'm alright. How are you? I'm good. After someone asks you a question, you can say, and you? That is a very easy way to ask the other person to answer the question too. But something that we say more frequently is, what about you? Or how about you? For example, hi, how are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm good. How about you? I don't typically say, and you, but there is no problem. It's easy and everyone will understand. Question number 2 is, what's your name? What's your name? You have a few options. You can say, your name? Amy. Or, I'm Amy. I'm Amy. Or, my name is Amy. You can choose what you prefer. Hi, what's your name? My name is Amy. My name's Amy. What about you? Third question. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from England. Or I'm from Spain. I'm from France. Where are you from? I'm from England. What about you? I'm from Spain. Fourth question. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Spain. What about you? Or I live in Northern Ireland. What about you? Fifth question. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? You can say, I live with my mum, my dad, my sister, my brother, my dogs, my cats. At the moment, I am living with my grandmother, but I usually live with my partner and our dog. How about you? Okay, here are some more questions you can ask someone. When's your birthday? When is your birthday? You can say, my birthday is on the. My birthday is on the. My birthday is on the 27th of June. My birthday is on the 27th of June. Another question. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in England. I was born in England. I was born in England. And you? I forgot a question. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 31 years old. What about you? How old are you? You can say I'm and your age, the number. I'm 15 or I'm 20. Or you can say I'm 15 years old or I'm 20 years old. You can't say I'm 15 years and stop. I'm 15 or I'm 15 years old. Another question you can ask is, do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Many students don't know what siblings means, but it is a very common word, and we use it to ask if someone has brothers or sisters. Instead of, do you have a brother or a sister? Or, do you have brothers or sisters? You can ask the question this way, do you have brothers or sisters? But I think it's more common to say, do you have any siblings? Maybe you prefer to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? But at least now you know the word siblings too if someone asks you. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I have an older sister and I have a younger brother. Do you have any siblings? And after you finish asking your questions, after the conversation, what do you say? You might say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And then say, goodbye. Let me know in the comments what questions I missed, and I will include them next time. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you next time.